In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate your TradeStation brokerage with SensaMarket, and trust me, it's super easy. So let's get right into it. First things first, head over to SensaMarket.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Don't forget, you'll need a SensaMarket account for this, but you can start with a free trial if you haven't already. Now, look at the top right corner and click on your profile picture. You'll see a drop down with options. From there, click on the brokers, or even faster, you can just hit the Brokers tab right up top in the main navigation. Here you'll see a few brokerage options: Tradier, TradeStation, and Lightspeed. Find TradeStation and click the Connect button. This will redirect you to the official TradeStation login page. Just enter your username and password here. After that, you'll get a prompt for a one-time passcode. Check your Authenticator app and punch it in. And boom, you're connected. Now TradeStation is fully integrated into SensaMarket. You'll be able to place trades directly from the Sensa dashboard. For example, I'm going to buy one share of Tesla stock at $313.51 and even place a long call options trade. You can do this directly from the trade panel and see the orders reflect instantly in your broker dashboard. Go back to your broker's dashboard, and under the orders section, you'll see the trade you just placed: queued, filled, or rejected. And under positions, you'll see your active holdings and open PPAN wool. And that's it. Super simple to connect TradeStation with SensaMarket and start trading like a pro.